going on, internet? We're pretty much at the same place we were at last time. I just love this area. It's so relaxed on traffic and stuff, and when I'm done with work for the day, this is like the ideal place I want to come and ride at and just check out the sights, enjoy the nice weather. The weather is perfect today. It's really not bad at all. But anyways, you can tell by the title, I have a load of new gear on the way, and I do want to state this at the beginning. I'm testing out 4K 30 FPS and Super View, so this is a totally different format than what the videos typically are in. So that's just a heads up on that stuff. So as I go around this tiny little turn, in regards to camera gear, I am getting an adapter for my GoPro Hero 8 Black to allow me to add some really good quality ND filters, some 52mm ND filters on the end of the GoPro. So I'm going to be getting some really good daytime footage to be able to block out some of that excess light that you don't need in a video, and then I can bump it up in post. So videos are going to be looking really good. Hopefully, I'm thinking April is whenever I'll have all that set up and tested, and I'll start posting it. Now I may do like a GoPro settings thing if you guys are interested, if I get the color right and I do it justice. But I might need to get some gas too. We're getting a little low there. And also tell me if you do like the 30 FPS Super View. I am thinking about sticking with 30 FPS now, solely because if I want to shoot something at a high frame rate, it's easier for me to make it slow motion and cut it back and render it all out at 30 FPS. So if I film something I want to turn into slow-mo and post, if I film it in 60 FPS, I can cut it to 30 FPS and render it out that way and have really good silky smooth slow motion, if that makes any sense to you. So we're just testing things out. So camera gear, yes, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be sick. For the bike, I literally ordered every mod I want for the bike, and I'm done. I have everything I want coming in. So the vent fairings, I got gloss black, they're coming in. The front fender, I got gloss black, that is coming in. And then for aesthetics on the bike, that's completely done. And if you didn't notice, I got plugs to plug up the rear view mirrors right here. I think they look way cleaner. And I also got a new cell phone holder because this one is annoying as crap to put my phone in. So that's coming. I also have an air intake. I didn't want to do performance mods, but I caved in. So I have a Chimera air intake coming in actually this week. And then I was deciding, should I do an ECU flash or do the Power Commander route for my fuel injection and do a tune. I ended up talking to a guy, his name is Casey Jones Racing, and he does custom ECU flashes that enhance performance, and they're pretty much tuned to your bike specification, to my exhaust and my air intake. And so I decided to go with an ECU flash because I heard those performance-wise really kick it out on the low end. On the high end, not really so much, but you can really haul some serious on the low end, and that's kind of what I want with my girlfriend on the back. I want a little bit more torque whenever I'm, you know, initially going on the bike, initially moving on the bike. I think we're going to take a right up here. So yeah, I have new vent fairings, new front fender, air intake, ECU flash. I bought a whole new ECU too. I didn't just send in my stock one. Well, one, I'm riding my bike, so obviously I didn't send in my stock ECU. I have a brand new one coming in the mail, just in case if I don't like it, I can use my old one, and I can always have that one just as a fail-safe if I ever were to need it for some reason on my bike. If I ever wanted to go back to stock on my bike, I can pretty much put all of the stock parts on there and I'm good to go. Nobody would really know the difference, I don't think, to be honest. So that's really it. I honestly just wanted to make this short little video to test the new video settings. I'm not going to be filming how to install the new mods or anything, because if you want to learn how to install mods, just go watch somebody else's video and all of that stuff. I don't really like doing all of that. Anyways, I'm kind of just rambling on. I didn't really have a topic for this video, so I hope everybody is safe with their self-quarantining and you're practicing social distancing and all that crap. it's still pretty safe where I'm at, and in America land, it hasn't really gotten too bad here. I think the downtown area near me got shut down, but it's still practically normal for anybody that stays at home a lot. But that's why I got all these mods for my bike, because I want to get out and do things, but everything's closed and you really can't. It's just not safe to do it. So I figured, why not, you know, just get everything I want, be done with it, and just have like a fun project at home and get going that way. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little rant and maybe the new video settings. We'll see. New camera gear on the way. The rest of my bike mods are coming in the mail. I'm gonna have to disinfect everything coming in the mail, especially the ones from Thailand. I don't know how the virus is doing over there compared to America. It's probably worse in America, to be honest. But all right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Later.